Hello, I'm Miguel, and today I'm going to talk about yield in some digitalized industries.
Okay, let's go straight to the dashboard and analyze some important metrics. First, we can see that it's possible to select which juice processing system we are analyzing and select time interval we want to analyze. So, starting with the data, we can see that initially we have some statistics about the batches produced, such as the batch count, the average, maximum and minimum batch time. It is already possible to understand how close the average time is to the expected time value and understand what the main atypical values were. And then we can see a table below with various information about each batch as well. With these values, it is possible to calculate the difference, delta, in pounds, and the percentage error of each ingredient. Let's take the ingredient 6 as an example. For this first batch, we can see that we have almost 0% of error. When we move into the second batch, an error happens. So you can see that the ingredient 6 for the second batch had an error about minus 11%. As the operator sees this dashboard in real time, he is able to investigate and make the proper adjustment. For this next batch, you can see that this error has already been reduced, and in the next one, the ingredient 6 is already in an acceptable deviation. So finally, we have a last table that is possible to analyze the total delivered and compare it with the expected delivered of each ingredient. With this, the total difference and the average error per ingredient are also calculated.